Today we are one of Decathlon stores in Barcelona. We are testing a new solution as a proof of concept. We are testing the TIAGo Base in the fitting rooms area. So basically this mobile base, what it's doing is bringing back the products, the items that the customer don't choose, to bring it back to the point of sales.
So we work this year on the new vision of Decathlon for the 10 next years. And of course, automation or robotization as an important part of to improve your process in Decathlon. So with PAL Robotics, we want to develop new robots, new way to optimize the efficiency in store, because we know that hourly cost is the main important subject to your stores in the world.
With the TIAGo Base, it's really interesting for us because it's the opportunity to automate a new process in store that the teammates are currently doing manually, so it takes a lot of time for them. And the idea is to really let them be with our clients and take time with them, be sure that we always have someone in the aisles instead of in the fitting room to take the product. So it's really interesting for them to free their time, to be sure that they will be available for our clients.
We truly see Decathlon as one of our main partners in the innovative sector. They are always open and willing to do and test and try new things.
And this PAL is something that we really value. We are excited to accompany Decathlon on their journey toward robotizing their stores and improving the customer experience.